Imanikids.
Yay!
Please subscribe.
Hey friends, come on, let's see. What should we do after play? Look around, can you tell? It's time to put things back today. I played with toys, I had my fun. Walks and books, I'm almost done. Now I know what I should do. Put them back when playtime's through. Put things back one by one. Cleaning up is fun, fun, fun. Put things back nice and neat. Room is clean from head to feet. Put things back one by one. Cleaning up is fun, fun, fun. Put things back nice and neat. Room is clean from head to feet. Shoes go here, books go there. Everything has its own place to share. When I'm done, I smile and say, I did my best today. Put things back one by one. Cleaning up is fun, fun, fun. Put things back nice and neat. Room is clean from head to feet. I take care of what I use. This is a good habit I choose. Little steps every day. Good habits grow this way. Play is over, work is done. I feel proud of everyone. Put things back, yes, that's right. See you next time. Good job, good night.